A man has 7 friends. 4 of them are ladies and 3 are men. His wife also has 7 friends. 3 of them are ladies and 4 are men. Assume X and Y have no common friends. Then the total number of ways in which X and Y together can throw a party inviting 3 ladies and 3 men, so that 3 friends of X and Y are in this party. Options are 468, 469, 484 and 485. Hi friends, this is repetition of question. It was asked way back in 1985 in IT. See the situation. Husband and wife. There are 4 ladies and 3 men. They are husband's friend, and then there are, what we say, 4 men and 3 ladies. This is from Y. What are the conditions? We have to invite 3 ladies and 3 men. First condition, 3 ladies, 3 men, and second, 3 from this team, and again 3 from this team. So see the combination. From this we can take 2, 1, we can take now 2 and 1. See, this is 2 plus 1, 3 ladies, this is 1 plus 2, 3 men. Next one is 1, 2, this is 1, this is 2. Now we can also invite as follows: 3, 0, 3 ladies, no men from husband's side, and from there 3 men and what we say is 2 ladies. And the final one is 0, 3, from there 0 lady, all 3 men, now no men from this side and 3 ladies. What will be required ways? First one, this one, 4C2 into 3C1 into 4C2 into again 3C1. Second one, this is now 4C1 into 3C2 into 4C1 into 3C2. The third one, this is 4C3, this is 3C0, this one again 4C3 and this one is 3C0. The final one, 4C0, 3C3, this is 4C3. No, I think this is again 4C0 and this one is 3C3. We have to add all of them. When we do the calculation, this is 324 plus 144 plus I think 16 plus 1, it is 485. So this is the correct answer, an easy one. For the next question, please move to our next video. Thank you.